This is how hotel floors are cleaned, shiny like a mirror with no streaks. Grab a tall bucket and place it where you'll be filling it with water. Add 2 scoops of a powerful floor cleaner, a reliable solution that removes grease, dust, and grime. Pour in boiling water. This step is crucial. Soak your mop thoroughly in the solution so it absorbs the cleaner well. Then, wring it out firmly. It should be just slightly damp. A mop that's too wet can leave streaks and cause the floor to dry slowly. Begin mopping using even, smooth strokes. Once you're done, wring the mop out again, dip it into clean water, and rinse it thoroughly. Now take out the bucket with clean water. You'll see dirty water collected at the bottom of the mop container. This keeps your mop clean so you're not spreading dirty water back onto the floor. Finally, pour the dirty water into the toilet. Notice how cloudy and full of dirt it is. That's proof this method really works.